Hey guys, so I had a couple of people ask me questions. So I'm gonna do question number 5 and 6 off of this one. All right. Obviously, I send you the completed answers, but I guess you're just not smart enough to understand what was going on. All right, fine. Anyway, so let's go ahead and do number 5. So I think if you didn't get it right, you probably did not understand that this said right here. Let me put this in a different color here. This is a -2/3 and a -3/3, which means that, let's see, you can sort of see the tick marks. There's one there, there's -2, there's 1, 2, and 3. So essentially, that's just telling you the size of the window. Okay. So it's really that's all that means to you. Really, it's not more than that. Now with the slope fill, right, in this case, it has to go through -1, 2. So let me switch this to red so we can kind of see this clearly. So -1, -2 would be somewhere around here. And then you just have to do your best to try to follow this slope fill as you go through. Now, obviously, your answers may vary a little bit, but you're supposed to sort of follow the slope fill as best as you can, all right? But the important thing about it is you need to go through the point that is given to you here, okay? And you need to basically follow the slope fill as best as you can. So that's pretty much it for that one, all right? So let's look at number 6. All right, on number 6, all right, there's a couple of things you got to do that if you got this wrong or you didn't see how I got that answer, you probably didn't do them, right? So first of all, we got to understand that that cube on the bottom is going to make that's the same thing as cubing 2, so that's going to be 8, and x cubed is just going to be that. So again, 2x parentheses cubed is the same thing as 8x cubed, all right? So now this part is really optional. You don't have to do it, but you can pull the 1/8 out of the integral. And now I have 1 over x to the third dx. And I'm probably writing too many steps here, but I want to make sure you understand where this is coming from. So this is mostly just algebra. All right, so this is the same thing as integrating x to the -3, right? So now we're going to integrate that. Remember, we're going to add 1 to the power, which is, well, let me not write it like that. It looks weird. X to the -2, and we're going to divide by the same, which is -2, plus c, all right? So essentially what I'm going to get is a -1 over 16. Again, it doesn't matter whether you put the negative or the negative on the top or the bottom in this case. And x to the -2, if I bring it to the bottom of that equation, that's just going to be x squared right here. And plus c, and that's it. All right, let's see. Let me read this, make sure that that's all the questions that you had. I hope you guys are doing well. Yep, that's all I see. So I'm hoping that these two students that send me the questions are not the only ones doing this, all right? If you haven't done this, and, well, I can't cuss, but get your butt in gear and let's go.